Day 2 of print-on-demand niche of the day. Okay, so here's the bestsellers currently on Amazon using Merch Dominator, affiliate link in the description. As you can see, it's still all Trump stuff when you filter out the copyrighted brands. So let's see what's new. I already peeked at this earlier, but might have updated. Yep, okay, there's a Moodang. It's a baby hippo out of, I think, Thailand. So, you know, that's a pretty popular niche over the last few months. But let's keep it simple and go after the big Trump niche. I saw this Haters Gonna Hate design earlier, so I already wrote up a little prompt here to try to replicate it with the Grok AI on Twitter, now known as X. So let's see what it does. I usually don't say monotone illustration, I usually just say like a graphic. That's pretty good though. Quite good, isn't it? So save image, then upscale it. My upscale.org app here. And hopefully I won't have any problem when I go to remove the background on Kittl here. Ah, that's good. And I was going to go with a black t-shirt, or, you know, a dark color t-shirt, and that's pretty good. Actually I need to put text, so let's see how big I can make it. White font. Let's see, what font do I want to go with? Try Bungee. Yeah, it's a pretty good font. Okay, that's too big. Try to just do it fast for you guys. Right, boom. Boom. That's pretty good. And then try to fill up the whole design space, because on Amazon those thumbnails are pretty small and you would definitely want to try to stand out. Okay. Remove background, download. Do it on Printify here. Affiliate link in the description as well. For my Made in USA t-shirts, I use Printify. So alright, let's change it to black. Let's see what it looks like. And if you become a paid subscriber on my Substack, you'll get the design file for this that you can use to sell on any print-on-demand product. If you sign up, join my email list on Substack, you'll get a free email every day with the trending print-on-demand niche. I'm going to try to do a video every day too, but I might miss a video, so be sure to sign up on there. And to become a paid subscriber, it's only $7 a month right now, but definitely going to go up on the price soon, so that's about it.